In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again and this time tap on the Face Unlock. Before we begin, quick disclaimer. If you don't have screen lock already, you need to set it up. Without it, you won't be able to add your face data. So make sure you have it. Or if you don't, hit screen lock here. And then pick one of those login methods. Then go back to the same settings to tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Hit Face section and enter your current screen lock. Then choose Add Now, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, hit Done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!